You have to search on Google Daraz seller account. Click on first URL. Then after you have to write your number and verification with this scroll. Then after you have to verify, uh, put a verification code, your password. Then after this interface will be in front of you. Follow the instruction and fill the form. This was our last message in front of our interface. At this stage we have done 3 steps. Now we have the 4th step, which is to add product. After this, after a few minutes or few seconds or a couple of minutes as well, we will see this interface in front of you, that is the home screen of your seller account. We have multiple reviews, rewards and challenges over here. By clicking join challenge and perform some specific task, you can earn the reward. Like here, you have completed the challenge, view the videos on NS program and learn about Daraz. Okay, fine. I have got this reward, which reward is quite near to 600 rupees, equal shipment charges. It means that Daraz will give me free shipment till 600 rupees. Okay, like this, 650 rupees. I have earned this reward on my account. As you know, my account has been generated last day. Then now I am going to add some products. These were some challenges in front of my interface, that if I done some challenge, then it will pay some reward to me. Okay, now you have to click on product management and add product. After this interface will appear in front of you. You have to add 8 photos over here. After that, I will add few photos over here like this and confirm upload. Then these photos will uploaded. For the sake of understanding, I will move to the account and setting, because I want to know that this type of product have how much commission charged by Daraz. So first of all, I move to the account and setting, profile, and here move to the commission option. I have this categories and the commission percentage over here. Like these are the percentage categories in front of you. Is that clear? Okay, from here I got that because we are selling Bluetooth speakers, which are some categorized on audio option, which is approximately equal to 8.6. When I was further explore this option, I got that the Bluetooth speakers charge 8.7%. Is that clear?
Yes.
Okay. Now I know how much Daraz will charge from my product. Okay. Product added with the help of mobile. There were some issues on the interface on desktop. Like if you have observed that here a Chinese language is appearing on my interface, because some sort of languages, a Chinese language automatically activated. That's why I moved to the mobile. Okay.
So in the computer version, will this appear Chinese?
I will sort it out after that, because it takes some time to explore how to change Chinese language, because I don't know the meaning of these words. Then I have to explore the screen reader. Then after I can convert the Chinese language into English language, from where the language will change. So that's why I didn't waste my time, and I moved to my mobile. On your mobile, you can also download Daraz Seller app, and over there you can see such type of interface. We have three windows. It means that we have three screenshots in front of you. First of all, you can see the add product on your seller screen. By clicking over there, you can see this interface that I have filled, like price of the product and the campaign. Like I have 6 units, 2500 price, and discounted price is 1500, and this campaign is valid from 9 to 19. Is that clear? By clicking over here, I have added the dimensions of the package and the weight of the package. In this option, I also have to add the weight of the package. Is that clear? Moving to the next step, I have to mention that my product has warranty or not. My product has no warranty.
All of this option is necessary.
Yes, your interface will appear all these options in front of you. You just put uh, some sort of description in these options. Like I have three products: orange, yellow, and brown. So I have filled this form, and after that I have to fill this form. I already filled these forms on my mobile and on my seller account. Let's see after that. After completing this, we have to submit this. This window will appear in front of you. As you can see, one product is pending. Pending for what? Pending for review. These are the charts which will show you some figures when you have completed your task and you are doing some work regularly on Daraz.pk. After that, this window will appear in front of you. Added successfully, add another product, okay, fine. And these four options will appear in front of you. Add product, like this. We have tick on this, this, and after adding this product, this will also be marked. Is that clear? Okay. Now here I have mentioned a box. A box for what? A box for those countries in which Daraz.pk is functional, like Pakistan, Nepal, Sri Lanka, Bangladesh. Okay, these are the countries in which Daraz is functional. Moving to the next, this is the interface of our desktop version. Like after adding my product, I have to go on product management, manage product. As you can see, we have online, in progress, and offline. Online means the products which are already published, and in progress means the products which are on review, for which we are waiting for publishing. And offline means if some ground issues, I have stopped the selling of such items, so I have moved some products to the offline. Like I have shortage of products, like some issues with my, like I have no packaging material. I have done all my exercise. I have a little bit engagement with some other work, so that's why I don't want to be negatively reviewed on Daraz. So that's why I moved my products to the offline, so no one can see my product and no one can review me badly. Okay, as you can see, under review, one option we have under review. Okay ji. Now here we have done our exercise. Like I have explained you about how to change the backgrounds, how to remove the backgrounds, how to generate the post which will be more attractive for the customer to buy your products. Because if you simply click a common or ordinary picture and post it on any type of platform, then it may not attract in such a way that a customer wants to be attracted. So that's why first of all you have to make some post or design some post for your products. Okay, we already have discussed about that, how to make our products, how to make our post more attractive, like we have done before. We have some samples in front of you like this. I have made this video clip for 3 to 4 seconds. This post, this one, these posts are made by me and other students as well, as I have told you in the class. As you can see, we have just 3 to 4 types of pictures by the Google, and we have generated multiple types of pictures from those pictures. So you have to generate such pictures for your products. After that, as you can see, we have multiple options over here. Now let's in this video we will be delivering into order management and fulfillment. In this video you can see that how you have received an order and how you have completed the task to deliver the parcel to exact customer. Is that clear? Okay. Smooth operations and customer satisfaction, you have to follow such instructions. Like, first of all, you have to write your email or phone number over here and password, and after that you have to be login on the seller account. Then after, you have to move on orders and reviews and manage your order over here. As you can see, you have received the multiple orders by which a few orders are pending. The status are still pending. From these orders, you have to select a single order, any single order. If you need more details about the customer, you have to click on plus button like this. And if you want to shift this shift to deliver the option, then you have to click here, ready to ship. When you click here, this box will appear in front of you, in which you can see that there is no invoice number over here. Okay. Now you have to click on close, and you have to move over account and profile. Here we have invoice number. Click over here and use order number. It is quite convenient way to generate invoice number. We have also 2 other options, but you have to choose use order number. Is that clear? This practice is quite good. So you have to save here. Invoice number setting has been saved. Okay. Now again you have to switch on that option, orders and reviews, manage order, down to scroll, and option such click on such option which we have already saw before. As you can see, invoice number has been generated over here. Save invoice ID. After clicking that, a box will appear again. Click on all documents on that box. Then this window will appear in front of you, in which you can see the product, the quantity, the detail, each and everything, and having a barcodes and QR code over here. If you have received some parcels from Daraz.pk, you have observed that a QR code or barcode sheet is printed on such parcel. We have already done this practice during the class. In my initial lectures, I have requested to all of you that you must explore some online selling or buying platforms and purchase some items.
This paper is sticky down there.
Yes, of course. This paper is printed and stuck on parcel. This paper has complete information about the parcel. As you can see over here, the details. This one, this is the invoice which you can put into the parcel. This part is pasted on the parcel, and this part is for your record. Is that clear? Okay. Now moving to the next step, you have to print this page. 2 or 3 pages will be printed out by your printer for your packaging. Now you have to click ready to ship, close. It means that you have done all necessary steps over here for by which you can now ship